Hey guys, so I'm coming to y'all to do, excuse my voice. Ooh, I'm coming to y'all to show y'all how I do my okra. Because I don't cook this often, I thought I would come on and show y'all how I do mine. I basically make it, I guess, just normal with the red tomato sauce, you know, shrimp, sausage, onion. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. I will be doing a fast forward video, so I will not be talking in the middle. I'll just be showing, and that way y'all can kind of see, you know, what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and show you all my ingredients before I start, kind of give you a heads up of what I'm doing. And like I said, this is gonna be a pretty fast video probably. Today I'm making okra with sausage and shrimp. I'm also gonna be frying some pork chops. I may show a little bit of that in there, here and there, and then I'm gonna make some cornbread and then rice to go with the okra. So anyway, the ingredients I have for my okra, of course, is okra. These are how many? This is 40 ounces, so 2.5 pounds, just from HEB. So I got 2 of those. Okra cooks down, so if you want a lot, you need more bags. It cooks down a lot. It's, excuse me, it's almost like a spinach. Not quite, but just like spinach. It's like you put it in a pot and it's like so much, and then when you cook it down, you're like, what happened? Also, I have my Pick Sweet Farm season blend. Okay. After I cook down my okra, I then will add my season blend. Okay. To de-slime, okay, we all know okra has a lot of slime. I prefer fresh okra. Me and my grandma back in the day, rest her soul, we used to cut up okra together. I was a little girl. I was literally, I remember being as young as 7 or 8 years old, and I used to cut everything with her. We cracked pecans. I used to peel pecans with her. I used to cut up okra with her. I used to snap peas. I used to snap green beans. Like, I used to do everything with my grandma. I miss those days. And so I try to incorporate a lot of stuff that she used to do, because it influenced me a lot, you know, and I just want to become, if I could become half the person she was, I feel like I'll be doing a great job to my family. So anyway, in order to slime it down, once I cook it a little bit, I'm gonna then add a little bit of this white vinegar. This is just a store brand, nothing fancy, to make it, you know, the slime kind of go away. Before I put my okra in, I'm going to put a little bit of oil to it in my pan, just a little bit of oil, okay, just to kind of get that slime going, get it going, and then I'm going to add the vinegar to kind of de-slime it a little bit. After that, I'm going to add my vegetables, and then after that, start, you know, kind of cooking a little bit. I'm going to also add my tomato sauce. So they didn't have the big cans, however, I'm going to be using probably about four of these, maybe 4 to 5 of these cans. Again, it's off-brand, it doesn't matter. Tomato sauce is tomato sauce. It's from Walmart. Walmart has great value, and then HEB has HEB brand. Okay. Then I'm going to, while that's kind of cooking down, I'm going to kind of pan fry my sausage. This time I did leave the skin on. You can take the skin off because the skin makes a little bit more grease. But I did a pre-cut last night just to kind of make my preparation a little bit easier for today. I am going to pan fry them a little bit because I kind of like it to be a little bit seared, if that makes sense. So I have my sausage ready to go. I'm going to add my sausage in once I add my sauce in, so y'all will see that. The last thing that's going to go in, which I am going to be adding season, so I'm going to add Tony Chachere's, which is where's that? Oh, over here. So I'm also going to add my seasoning. So I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm going to add my seasoning. So that's the seasoning I'm going to use to kind of give it a little bit of flavor. And then last it's going to go in, it's going to be my shrimp, and I'm going to just dump them in. These are large shrimp, and I forgot who they're by, but we got them from Walmart, because right now things are just scarce off the shelf, so you got to get what you can when you can. Okay. So other than that, y'all are going to see, fast forward, what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have the camera on the pots, not on me. I may show y'all how I do my pork chops. So basically I've already mixed up my batter for my pork chops. So if y'all were wondering about that, it's just egg and milk, okay? I do add a little bit of seasoning to my mixture here as well. And then I have my flour all ready to go. And all I do, I added my seasoning. I had garlic powder and my Tony Chachere's. I mix that in here because even though I'm gonna season my meat, I like my batter to have flavor too. So I like my skin, my crust on my my pork chops or anything that's fried, I like my skin to be flavorful as well. So I'm gonna dip that in there as well. And then stick it in some grease and fry it on both sides. And yeah, last but not least, I'm going to have my cornbread. This is my favorite cornbread. I used to be hooked on Jiffy's because I used to add like a ton of sugar, blah, blah, blah. But guess what? This has everything you need. All you have to do is add a half a cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of butter melted, and 1 egg. This is called honey butter. This is the best cornbread I feel like I have ever eaten before. So I'm gonna be making some of this here. And last but not least, for dessert, hubby requested a yellow cake with chocolate icing. So I may be doing that as well. But you're not gonna see the cake part probably until the very end. Maybe I may just show everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and quit rambling and I'm gonna show y'all how I cook my okra. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't see any of them broken. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay.